could beat this day, if anything else, than watching TV. I love the news. Best thing ever. If anything was there to ruin this day, like nothing could ruin this day. If I heard a loud noise, that would ruin my day so much. I mean, yeah, maybe the worst day of my life if I heard loud noise. No one likes hearing loud noises. And now, okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth and watch. The worst I ever. What was that? Look what you do. What the?
Put a tiny bit of water so.
What are you doing?
So they don't start blending.
I'm going back to watching the news.
I don't know where myself is, but we're making coffee.
Okay. I don't want to hear that loud noise ever again. The worst noise ever. Here it goes. It keeps stopping when I come in. Why? No, I'm just gonna eat some paws. What, Jagger? What are you doing? Stop it! Stop it, Jagger! Stop it! Darn it! Put myself down. Need to add a little butter. I'm eating some bass. Albert, what are you doing? Stop it! Albert, let me out of the paws right now! I mean,